So guys, we have today is a fraction to decimal, and the number one example, we are asked to convert 3/5 to decimal. So this is what we call fraction, proper fraction. That's the 3/5, and we are about to convert it to decimal. So first thing to do is you come to this place, you write 3/5, and then you draw the line. Let's draw the line. Take the denominator, the bigger number, which is 5, write it here. And then you take this number, which is 3, you write it here. So here now, as you can see, 5 divided 3 is not going to work because 5 is bigger than 3. So we always write it like 0 points. So whenever you divide any number under this, convert 3/5 to decimal, if you divide any number and the number is smaller, you just put 0 points at the top. So then you add 0, this 0 now, add 0 here. The reason why you're adding the 0 is to make it divisible, so that you can divide 30 with 5. So 5 divided 30, you press into your calculator or you calculate it with your head. But what you're going to get is 6. So to check whether it is balanced, we multiply it. 6 times 5 will now give us 30. And 30 minus 30 is 0. So at this point we cannot go further, which means that 3/5, which is fraction, has been changed to 0.6, which is now the decimal, and this is the final answer. So guys, this is example 2, and here we are asked to convert 4/5 to decimal. So first thing to do, just like we did in the example 1, you bring the fraction here. This is called proper fraction. So you now draw the line. The larger number, always remember that the denominator will be here, and then you take the smaller one, that's the one at the top, the numerator, and you write it inside here. So if by me looking at this, you know that 5 cannot divide 4, so just write 0 points here first before we do anything. So now, in order to make this 4 divisible by 5, you add a 0. Don't add any other number, just add 0. So here now you say 5 divided 40. If you check it in your calculator or with any other means, you are going to get 8. And then to balance it, you multiply it back. 8 times 5, you write the same 40 here. So you now minus it. 40 minus 40 will give you 0. And if you look at this number now, we will be able to change 4/5 to what? 0.8, and that's the final answer. So guys, this is example 3, and in this case now we are asked to convert 2/5 to decimal. So as usual, just like we did in the other 2 examples, you bring the 2/5 here, this number, you write it here, is equals to, then draw the line. Already remember the stages, you draw the line. So you take the higher number, this is 5, write it upside down, 2, you write 2 here. So you can see, always remember, you don't go and write and turn it upside down, maybe you write 2 here and you write 5 here. No, the one that is at the down, write it here, and the one at the top, you write it inside. So looking at this 5 and 2, if you realize that 5 is bigger than 2, just write 0 points here. Once 5 is bigger than 2, you write 0 points. Then you now add 0. Don't add any other number except 0. So now you ask yourself, 5 divided 20. If you check it your calculator, you are going to get 4. Then to balance it, you now multiply it. 4 times 5 now give you 20. And then you minus 20 minus 20 is 0. So in this case now, we will be able to change or convert 2/5 to 0.4, and that's the answer.